EMM has been a very interesting space, both in the UK and worldwide over the past couple of years. And I think that we've seen two big converging trends, if you will. The first one is just the demand from all employees, no matter what size of an organization, to have what's called mobile productivity. We already have 84 million active users on Office 365, our mobile productivity platform. So there's been a really big increased demand for that type of mobility within the workplace. That being said, we've also seen some trends within the security landscape and how that's drastically has changed. Specific to the UK, 2 out of 3 customers have reported some type of security breach within the past 12 months. And the reason for that is that as companies are starting to move into this mobile productivity workplace, they still have security solutions and services that are meant for the old world. So they're meant maybe for more on-premise infrastructure. We recognize that the one common thread between all that is the user's identity. And that's why enterprise mobility and management is so important, because a lot of the solutions that you see in the marketplace today all start and end with the user's identity and how you can protect each individual user and the data that they're accessing at that level versus a corporate infrastructure. And that's what's really important, and that's how we see a lot of companies needing to move forward for this type of security space. So what used to be called the Enterprise Mobility Suite is now changed to the Enterprise Mobility and Security Suite. And the reason why we changed that is that we spend over $1 billion in research and development on security alone, and there's no other company in the world that can match us in that place. What's in it for the resellers, if you think historically of what happened just a couple years ago with Office 365? End customers were demanding this solution, and at the time it was our fastest growing business, both within Microsoft and within our resellers. And now we think we're at the same inflection point when it comes to our EMS suite, where the end customers, again, are demanding this mobile productivity similar to Office 365, but with that security platform embedded into their solution. And that's why we see EMS, which is now currently today the fastest growing solution stack ever in Microsoft's history. And so our resellers really should be able to get in there and be able just to tell the end of the story of how, hey, you're already managing mobile productivity in a fashionable way. You should be able to do this now with security.
So what we're seeing is that customers are buying in a very different way. We're moving to a subscription economy, and so they want these monthly recurring bills. And for resellers, what we've seen is that they want to own the end-to-end relationship with their customers. Microsoft launched the Cloud Solution Provider, or CSP, about a year ago. And what CSP allows is for partners to provision, manage and bill cloud subscriptions through cloud marketplaces from people like Tech Data. And from an EMM perspective, what that really means is that they can own that customer relationship by providing and managed services to the customer. And we've worked really closely with Tech Data to provide a whole range of training programs across sales, technical and marketing. The Tech Data team are really knowledgeable around Microsoft, and they're very committed to helping partners be successful with us. And so I'd strongly encourage you to get in contact with them today.